Hello friends, in my last lecture we have seen casteism and now we are going to see linguism. Now see, nearly 1650 languages are spoken in India, and India is considered to be the land of languages because at every 10 kilometers dialect changes, and so there are so many languages which are spoken in India, and hence framers of constitution decided to select certain languages as recognized language. So, when the constitution was framed, 14 languages were selected as recognized languages in 8th schedule. And so, this official work was to be done in these recognized languages, but later on what happened was there were many conflicts regarding the languages. Now see, after independence actually it was decided that use of English for official work should come to an end and Hindi should be the official language. Why? Because 46% of the population of India speaks Hindi. So it was decided till 15 years English would be used as official language. And after that Hindi would be made as the official language. But this met with a you can say protest by southern states as well as West Bengal. So in 1955 Official Language Commission was set up under the chairmanship of B.G. Kher. Now see, this commission submitted its report in 1956. And in 1957, it was examined by parliamentary committee, and it was published in 1958. The main recommendation of this committee or commission was that till 1965 English would be used as official language and from 1965 and Hindi as subsidiary. And from 1965 Hindi would be used as official language and English as secondary or subsidiary. So this was met with a protest by South Indian states and the other, you can say West Bengal and some states. So what happened was, at that moment of time, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru took a decision in that situation, and he said English would remain as official language for the states who are not willing to take Hindi as an official language, and Hindi would never be imposed on those states as an official language. So what happened was, from that moment of time, Hindi would be used for English would be used for indefinite period for official work. Then the protest against English was there in northern India, and several riots anti-English riots took place there. Alright, now see, apart from Hindi English, there are also certain other linguistic rights. For example, in Goa, when two languages were announced as official language, that is Marathi and Konkani, at that moment of time also conflicts took place between Marathi versus Konkani. So this was the thing. Now what could be done to you can say curb linguism? So first one is that English can be used as a subsidiary language, that was there. Secondly, even regional language could be made for an official purpose. Third, other languages, those are not recognized languages, can also be used for official purpose. And even the Constitution of India has given many directives for languages, and that those languages can be used apart from the which are listed in your recognized languages in the 8th schedule. There are today 22 languages, 22 recognized languages in the 8th schedule, but apart from that, like Mizo in Mizoram, or Garo Khasi in Meghalaya, or French in Pondicherry are used as official language, means what? These languages are used for the official purpose. So this was about this lecture. Now in the next lecture we will see regionalism.